If it goes further, there's a problem. It's a lack of trust. The other way around. The lesson might be terrible because they're friends. Oh, wonderful. You're perfect. Perfect. You're a wonderful teacher. You're fantastic. When in fact the lesson was very poor. But because we're friends, what a great lesson. You've got nothing to worry about. So nobody learns. No one gets any benefit from it. Seniority. I've been here the longest. I've been teaching for 21 years. I'm the best teacher in this school. You come observe me. How dare you say my lesson was bad? I know more than you. You're not even coming in my classroom. You're not good enough. So you have to be careful of being senior. I personally am very happy to learn from people. So observing teachers who have just been qualified, often you get lots of really great ideas. So you should be looking at it like that. Understand that the teacher's still developing. Their knowledge might be weak. So a teacher going in who's maybe young, a new teacher, watching an older teacher do a bad job, I think that's a good job. Copy it out. And again, that's the same thing. Reinforcing bad practice. I go in, I watch a teacher, the teacher just gives out worksheet. The students are happy, they're quiet. So next lesson, I just give out worksheet. Students are happy, they're quiet. Bless you. And a lack of motivation. So this is what we were talking about. How do you get your teachers motivated to do peer observation? Think about your motivation, your teacher's motivation, and try to cater for that. Okay. Lack of motivation, yeah? Teachers don't want to observe each other. It's very useful if they do, but they don't want to do it because it's more time, more energy for them. It's another hour in the classroom that they have to spend. They have to give each other feedback. So you have to make it, you have to try and look at what motivates your teachers. Is it learning and developing? Is it money? Is it seeing the students get better? So find out what it is and tailor your peer observation so it targets that motivation. What I'm saying is, don't make it a compulsory thing. If you make it compulsory, they're likely just to go through, this is likely to happen. If you make it voluntary and some kind of reward, if you do 10 observations, 5 peer observations per year, then you get, I don't know, a bonus, not maybe not financial, but you get a reward, a book, a resource pack, something like that. Okay. Now,
if you know that a teacher that lack of